Today we have the 2019 Toyota CHR. This is a hybrid electric petrol vehicle. It has done just under 53,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our setup, trip information, audio, navigation, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below is our EV mode button. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full cloth black interior.